In this room, in addition to performing spinal decompression, this is where I do my chiropractic adjustments. I've been a chiropractic doctor since 1984, and I've had tens of thousands of patients respond to my chiropractic treatment. Now, the kind of chiropractic I do is full spine, get the bones moving, I would say pop and crack kind of chiropractic. That's the way I like to get adjusted, and that's what I've been doing for my patients for all these years. We want to restore the normal alignment and motion of the spine to keep them from aging, to decrease pain, to increase mobility, and really basically to slow the aging process. So by getting chiropractic adjustments on a regular basis, this may help be a factor in your longevity plan.